Hello everyone, Devin Turk here inside the Health and Lifestyle Center. I know how excited you must be to come check out this incredible new building for yourself, but because of the pandemic, we've got some new rules in place. So today I want to go over what you can expect so we can keep everyone safe and healthy. Ladies and gentlemen, it's finally time. Your Health and Lifestyle Center is ready for you. For the time being, here's how things will work. If you feel sick, we ask that you stay home. We're using the same reservation system as the Enrichment Center gym. You can sign up on your phone or computer. 20 members an hour will be able to use the facility at once.
We want to have more, but right now we want to be as safe as possible.
When you enter the Health and Lifestyle Center, use our convenient touchless check-in and be sure to wear a mask. Keep your mask on until you reach your destination, whether it be the cubbies in the workout area, cubbies in the group fitness room, or spa. Be careful to avoid touching the front and back of your mask when you remove it. You can then keep it in your pocket or the baggies the club provides. Our locker rooms have touchless faucets. We ask that you bring your own water bottle to our bottle filling stations. Avoid using equipment immediately adjacent to others.
With almost 50 pieces of cardio equipment, we're sure you'll find a safe space.
You'll find sanitation supplies throughout the facility. Be sure to always wipe the equipment down. We ask that you avoid wiping your mouth with the club supplied towels and pay extra attention to cleaning where you place your towel.
So our crews will continue to clean the Health and Lifestyle Center, but really it's up to you to wipe down your equipment before and after each use.
A face covering will always be required inside the Return to Wellness area.
We're going to be doing physical therapy and post-rehabilitation. We're also going to have members who may be a little bit uncomfortable working in space with other people.
In addition, a face covering is required from 3 to 5 p.m. in all workout areas.
That gives members who are maybe a little uncomfortable working out an added layer of protection.
When you finish your workout, please place your face mask back on as you head home. We know this isn't ideal, but it's the best way to ensure everyone's safety. Thank you for understanding, and we can't wait to see you in here.